Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Photo, TR1 Shah, Shutterstock. It's been almost a year since people with office jobs were instructed to work from home until the pandemic passed. First of all, we should start by saying that to even have the ability to do so is a huge privilege. So many essential workers have continued to commute and face the public every day and don't have the option to stay home. Video player is loading. Current time 0-100, duration 105, remaining time 105, but those who do may be struggling to focus on their work during the day with so many other things going on. Or maybe, someone who once enjoyed their job now finds it boring and tedious, especially since the best parts of the day involved sneaking in chats with co-workers. Anyway, one thing that might help make your home office seem a little less horrible is to add some touches of wood. Here's what to know. How to incorporate wood into your home office. If you weren't one of the lucky ones who was able to escape the city or suburbs and relocate to some quaint cabin in the woods during the pandemic, you've probably at least thought about it, and been jealous of those who could. Unless you already live in a cabin in the woods. But what if you could bring some of the woods to you? That was the basic premise behind a 2018 survey out of Australia that took a look at the effects of having wood in an office. Media may get a commission, keeping in mind that this isn't any type of scientific study. The survey results did point to the fact that people said they had more pleasant, satisfying work experiences when they were able to see natural-looking wooden items from their workstations, including People in workplaces with less than 20% natural-looking wooden surfaces are far less satisfied with both their working life and physical workplace compared to those with a high proportion of wood. On top of that, survey participants who worked in places with more exposed wood indicated higher RA. So will adding some elements involving wood to your home office make your workday more pleasant? You'll have to be the judge of that. As Lloyd Alter at Treehugger writes regarding the survey, the idea that changing your desktop and your doorframe to a wood finish could make that much difference is surprising. Though, at the same time, Alter points out, this survey demonstrates that people like wood and think they perform better. So if you're deciding between office accessories made from wood, or something that is supposed to look like wood, these survey findings might be something to consider. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more how-to and informative videos.